When a woman walks away from a man of value, she often doesn't see clearly what she's stepping away from. She thinks she's trading the present for something better, more excitement, more validation, more ease. But reality always teaches. And when a man evolves after being left, when he uses the pain not as a prison, but as a forge, she regrets it. She sees too late what she had. And that regret hits like winter after a golden summer. Let's begin. These are 4 reasons why she will regret leaving you. 1. She thought you'd stay the same. She believed the version of you she left was your final form. But a man who is left behind by someone he gave his heart to, he either breaks or builds, and the masculine man builds. Like a blade that is heated in the fire to be sharpened, you emerge from heartbreak harder, more focused, more disciplined. You hit the gym, you chase your vision, you build your body, your money, your mind. She will regret leaving you when she sees you walking past her, not looking at her, not needing her. Just like a peasant watches a prince ride by on a horse he once cleaned, she will feel the cold steel of regret sink into her bones. 2. She realized no one else can handle her chaos like you did. Every woman carries chaos. It's not bad, it's nature. Like the sea, she moves, she flows, she storms. But a grounded man, he stands firm like the cliffs of stone that break the waves. When you were there, you didn't fold. You understood her without her speaking. You were the calm inside her storm. Now she's out there with men who get overwhelmed by her depth, men who try to fix her or flee from her, men who turn small when she gets loud. She will remember your stillness, your presence, and it will haunt her. 3. She lost a man with vision. Men with no direction are like leaves in the wind. But you had vision. You weren't just existing, you were building a life, a legacy, a mission. You had purpose etched into your face like the lines carved into statues of ancient warriors. She may have walked away because she didn't see the vision clearly enough. But when the vision starts becoming reality, and she sees you rise like a lion from sleep, she will regret leaving. Because every woman deep down wants to stand beside a man who knows where he's going. Like this message so far, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel Wired Stoic on YouTube. Follow me on TikTok to be reminded every day to become more stoic, masculine, and successful. And activate the bell so you never miss when I drop truth. 4. She realized she lost a man who could walk alone. The final and most bitter truth, she left thinking you'd chase her, that you'd beg, cry, collapse. But instead, you stood tall. You walked away like a man walks away from a burning village he's done trying to save. And this is the moment she started regretting everything. Because nothing scares someone who left more than realizing you don't need them. Masculine men don't orbit anyone. They are the sun, and others revolve around them. And when you choose solitude over disrespect, purpose over comfort, peace over drama, you become untouchable. She will sit in silence one night, scroll through old pictures, and feel the emptiness of her choice. If you've been left, good. Let her regret it. But don't waste your time waiting for that moment. Use the pain, mold it, sculpt it into muscle, discipline, wealth, and power. You must become the man she could never have again. Regret is a mirror, but greatness is a path. Choose the path, choose your future, and never look back.